Hi everyone. As I mentioned earlier, I'd like to let you know how to connect the virtual program and also how to save your files in the drive. So usually it's very safer because if you turn off your computer using the virtual lab, so your files in that virtual lab computer will be erased. So keeping your files is very important because it means that you are missing your works after turning off your virtual lab. So I'd like to let you know how to do that. So sharing my screen, and then I'm going to the Moodle. After logging into the Moodle, so as I told you also, our website is 299 to for and the data analysis and the statistics. If you go to the top topics here, you can just click the virtual access URL because I embedded the hyperlink so that you can just click it to log on the virtual lab program. Okay, so sorry for the Korean here. I don't know why, even though I changed the language, it shows the Korean, so maybe it recognizes Korean. Okay, so by logging in, okay, again, sorry about the Korean here, but it's saying the GBC Remote Lab. You can just click it, and it's very normal that we need to wait a lot. And let me double check I'm sharing the right screen here. Okay, so let me check. Okay, okay, cannot start. All right. So it's working. It's normal. Don't need to wait. And my mouse is disappeared and it's also very normal. All right, we are here. So instead of downloading your data or connecting your Moodle on your personal computer, I want you to go here and then you can use whatever you can, probably using the Google here. Okay, okay. I think the patience is very important here. So you can go to the Moodle website and maybe go here and then you can log in. All right, log in now. Yeah, you can save it because, okay, so same, go to 299, their analysis, the main website, and then you can do it. So as we have the SPSS program, you can download this data. Okay, you are seeing this file and probably showing in folder. Yeah, I think so. All right, so your file is here. So again, if you turn off or disconnect your virtual lab, you will miss this file. So probably cut this file and move it to your storage here. So if you save it here, private, you can see these files. So I'm using my personal desktop in my office, but you can see these files are saved in the public computer in the Schumacher Hall 214. So securely save it. And as I already have those files, I may need to rewrite this one, so maybe replace it. Okay, so it's working. So as you could see, as a proof, you can secure your files if you save the files in here. So what I recommend is that save your all ongoing files in the private folder in the H drive. So you will have your initial in here. And if you start every working here, keeping everything here, at least you will not miss your progress. Surely the frequent save will help you better, but it's always better to have the secure place. Instead of the desktop, instead of download, I want you to download your files in the JLE. No, no, not JLE. You will have some another initial or other initials. But as for me, private folder of the JLE in the H drive is always better. Okay, so you can simply double click GSS 2018. Yeah, patience. It takes a long time. So the virtual connection, we appreciate this connection even though we need to use the safe distance from others, but still we can use the lab computers without the risk of the COVID-19 infection. Okay, so you can see here, right? And then it's still working, patience. Running out of my patience now. Just joking. Yeah. So it's very normal. See, yeah, if we just wait, those screen and this one and the largest screen will pop up. Okay, here. Right, you got the data. And then there are two screens. So as I did change the option is sustainable, but you can go edit and go options and then choose display labels instead of names and sort those variables alphabetically. And okay, display labels alphabetically. And if you go to the output here, you can just put it name and labels and values and labels. And don't forget hitting the apply here. Sure, keep it up. Okay. Okay, so you can switch. If you go to the bottom left, you can switch the data view in variable view. So you are all set. So you are ready to do the all of the works here. All right. Hopefully it helps you and see you tomorrow. Okay.